Oh. How beautiful.
So today we're out in Maraetai. Got the day off, no work today. It's beautiful out there. We've been out of action recently because this sickness got me down and out for like a full week, man. So I couldn't make content. We also sold our dinghy, which some of you guys would have seen on Instagram and stuff. But we got a new boat, which is cool. So we'll showcase that one probably next week. But yeah, it's got a few rods, with the long rods, stiff casters and stuff. We wanted to get, oh damn it, we wanted to get out of the house. So we bought the dogs, bought the gear, and we're gonna try our luck at low tide.
Looks so pretty. Beauty.
It's crazy. Look how clear that is. So water's a bit slow. So clear. It's low tide though. There's not much water right at the wharf. It's normally up a couple of meters higher. Yeah, at least 2 meters higher. But got my surf cast out with some squid and some pilly. And I'm just flicking this in the noodle rod. Try my luck, you know. I sent Nikki out to get some sausages because I'm not sure if we're gonna catch and we're gonna get hungry. Boats more. Still a bit sick, eh? Not feeling 100. It's not an excuse to doing these shit casts though. Ah! Fuck, man. Oh, she's back! She's back with the food. So We didn't have any burley today, so I tried to chop some pili up and it slipped out of my hand. I don't know if you can see it, it's just chilling down there. But just using that one little pili for burley. All this area looks really good for maybe trying to catch some squid. Oh, some fella went holiday in the rocks. But let's go have some food, eh? Getting hungry. It's just beautiful being out. Just being out of nature after being sick and tucked away, you know? You're back with the goods. Hey, you. Hello.
Hey, I bought the goods.
Cool.
I'm back. I went to get some sausages and bread from Countdown because we got hungry. Took these guys and came back with some drinks. Mom. Beautiful.
Waves coming in. Look at all these waves. That's buggy. Yeah. That's crazy. So we decided to look at all these waves. The water just went not clear. It's moving my pili out down. I dropped the pili down there.
Where?
You can see it right there.
Oh yeah, I see it.
So yeah, we decided to do a bit of a cook-up. Not a fishy cook-up, but
Got some sausages.
shit.
Shift today.
Still no fish. Fishing slow. Chilling's good.
Chilling's great.
Chilling's great. Make the most of it, right? Onions. Thank you.
Welcome. Is that too much or you're good?
No, it's okay.
Cool.
Pick them up for you.
There's heaps there.
Oh, cool, cool. Take the sausage out. Yeah.
Cool. Want some sauce on this later?
Yum. Snags on the wharf. Second course from Chef Nikki. A bit of chowder nibbles. I like it. Still no fish. Fish update? No update.
An update? No update.
So we're just enjoying the beautiful day. Enjoying each other's company. Look at this fella. He's looking at our food. Where's the other one?
This guy looking at our food.
That's crack up.
Alright, done?
Yeah. Lovely. All on the jetty. On the wharf. To ourselves. No problems.
came to Devonport to have a lazy fish after the Takapuna Winter Festival.
Light festival.
It's a nice jig.
It is.
Cool.
Good luck.
Good luck. Nothing?
Nah, nothing on the first cast.
Auckland City looks so beautiful. Nothing on the first cast like the mount.